Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Yeah, on the Dogecoin chart here, price has retraced nicely into our resistance area that I communicated in the last video. Can't remember when that was, a few days ago. We have our resistance here of wave 4 all the way up to 6.7 cents. Price has so far respected it. If we stay below 6.7 cents, we should get another low in wave 5 of circle wave 3, then another wave 4 and another wave 5 down. Now, what I cannot promise you is that we are actually really already, that we're really only in the smaller wave 4 here. It could be that we're already in circle wave 4. That might change resistance a little bit. It would change resistance all the way up to 6.94 cents. To be honest, I think that might even be more likely. Then I would just count all this move down here as wave 1, the wave 2 here at the 12th of August high, then the third wave like Bitcoin bottomed here, fourth wave and fifth wave down. But in the short term, it doesn't really make a difference. Just be aware that the break above 6.7 cents doesn't necessarily need to be bullish. We can stretch that out all the way to 6.94 cents. Let's just go back here. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the 61.8 retracement level here to the chart, yeah? The golden ratio. That just indicates that, yeah, price can go a little higher, no problem. It would still all be part of a wave 4. If it's circle wave 4 or the smaller degree wave 4, doesn't really matter so much. The idea is still that we should go a little lower. Overall, all of this would be part of a larger ending diagonal within a descending wedge pattern that Doge is forming. Just note, and you always need to be aware that we can get these rallies out of the blue. You know, all it needs is just a tweet, for example. But again, we cannot influence that. We can only really trade and analyze what we see. In addition to that, I just want to express that, yeah, this is really looking corrective. So it really adds to the view that this could be a wave 4. Maybe the top is already in, but it would take a break below the 6.05 cent level to confirm. Looks a bit like an ascending wedge pattern that's happening here. That would be potentially bearish because it would be expected to break to the downside. And if we can break, below that level I just mentioned, which would basically come along with a break below the trend line, then we have a broken wedge pattern and it could make another low. So that's what I'm watching at the moment. Bear in mind that even a break above 6.9 cents, it would not be clearly bullish. The whole structure of the 2022 lows is a bit messy. So we're really driving on side here with Doge, but so far it's following the forecast. It has come down lower. I would still expect it to go down lower. Of course, a break above resistance of 6.94 cents will cause us to reevaluate the chart, but it might just turn into something like a reset of a B wave or something different, more like a corrective pattern, which would still then eventually be expected to make a new low. I'm just highlighting that a break above that resistance level here that is highlighted in red on the chart would just highlight when we need to reevaluate the chart and something fishy is going on, that something is off, right? But for now, we still focus on the downside short term, but we'll definitely pay attention to the next low, because if we really make one more low below that 5.6 cent level, which is the 17th of August low, again, it might have then already completed this yellow C wave. And with that yellow C wave, yellow wave 3, and then it could turn into quite a substantial recovery in yellow wave 4, which only would be corrective as well. But I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.